a lot of people are stuck, right, in that fight
Yeah.
and in that battle, and that can really grip people for some time. I'm wondering what opened your mind to maybe a different approach?
I was in that place for years where I was battling pain, and I'd gone through all of the treatments at that. 3 years into this process, I had physical therapy, medications, injections. I ultimately had surgery, more physical therapy. I did massage, I did chiropractic care, I did yoga, I did posture therapy. I did all of the things, and none of the things worked. But I absolutely loved my surgeon that reconstructed my hip. And I did have some relief and return of function after that, but I still had these ongoing pain issues that we didn't know quite how to resolve. But I always felt believed by my surgeon. I never once felt like he blamed me for my pain or blamed me for not getting better when I should have after surgery. I never felt like it was my fault when I was in his care that my pain persisted. And it was actually under like his guidance, his advice was to get out of the workers' compensation system because he said within it that I wasn't going to get better and that I was smart enough to figure it out on my own. And that's a really shitty thing for a health professional to have to say to a patient that this system that I'm treating you within is not going to help you get better. But that's where we were. And I ultimately took his advice and tried to get out of the workers' compensation system. It took me another year to get out once I made that decision. It's such an impossible system. It's such an adversarial system, such a difficult system to be within. But once I decided that I was going to be out of the workers' compensation system and find a different way forward,